welcome back. It's Miss Hake with our literacy lesson for today. We're going to do two things. So we're learning about the letter E and the sound it makes. Eh, eh, eh. It also makes an E sound. So we're going to practice our upper and lowercase E's, and then we are going to talk about green eggs and ham. Would you eat green eggs? I don't know if I would. Maybe if they had chocolate in the middle. All right, so you're going to get a dot to dot today, and we're going to learn how to make the shape of an E, uppercase and lowercase. So it isn't easy being green. So I'm going to use my green for my E's today. Do you hear the E in green? Let's take a peek. Now, I started this in my highlighter, but I'm going to go over it in my green. So we're going to go down, across, little across, big across. Down, across, little across, big across. Down, across, little across, big across. Can you try? Down, across, little across, big across. Down, across, little and big. Down, across, little and big. Those are your uppercase E's. Eh, eh, eh. Now for the lowercase E's, you're going to start right here. Across and around. 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 Let's see if our hand remembers. Across and around. Across and around. Across and around. Beautiful. Across and around. And across and around. So after this, you're going to watch the video, Green Eggs and Ham. It's a read aloud. And then you're going to come back to this activity. You remember how Sam says, I am Sam, Sam I am? You're going to say who you are. I am Miss Hake I am. And then there's a big fat no and a big fat yes and two empty boxes. Would you eat green eggs and ham? Would you eat them with a man? Would you eat them on a fan? Would you eat them on a lake? Would you eat them with a rake? Miss Hake is rhyming. So you're going to draw a picture of green eggs and ham, or you can use your Play-Doh and make green eggs and ham. And you're going to fill in, I am, what's your name? And then your name, I am. Is it rhyming with I am? Unless your name's Sam or Pam or Tam or Ram or Cam or Lamb or Bam. Might not rhyme, and that's okay. And then would you eat green eggs and ham? Yes or no? Miss Hake's going to fill it in. I am Miss Hake. I'm going to do it in green because it's the color of the day. I am Miss Hake. Miss Hake I am. Would you eat green eggs and ham, Miss Hake? No, I would not. I would not even eat them with a fox on a box. And I'm going to start making some green eggs and ham with my Play-Doh because I'm going to make them scrambled fried eggs. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to make this fried egg and then this a piece of ham. Boom. Oh, yeah. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I put a yolk in my egg. Would you eat green eggs and ham? I don't know. I would not eat green eggs and ham. And I'm going to draw a picture of it. Here's my green egg. Maybe I should put a yellow yolk. I'm going to take out my pink yolk and put a yellow yolk so you feel what I'm doing here. And my strip of ham. No, I would not eat green eggs and ham. Sam, I am. Yep. I'm going to get my crayon now and I'm going to color in this particular egg. So have fun deciding whether or not you're going to be on the yes side or the no side. And looking forward to see what green eggs and ham you create. Well, see you next time.